Guys, my name is Web Tutorial. Welcome to this tutorial on HTML CSS. It's been a long time since we have done HTML CSS tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a navbar in no time. It's really easy, so it doesn't take much time. So if you guys are beginners, you'll find this so easy. So we are going to create this similar to the previous speed code I did. If you guys don't know that, I'll just leave a link to it in the description down below. But apart from that, I'll just get started. So HTML base. So for the title, I'm gonna put navbar. So in the head after the title, I'm gonna link it to the actual CSS file. So I've actually opened both of them. So navbar2.css, I've linked that. So go to the body section. I'm gonna make a div and I'm gonna class it so you can define it properly. So I'm gonna call it navbar. And I'm gonna have a UL, which is an unlisted list, li, which is a listed list for the text actually. So a is for the links. So home is the first navigation bar link we have, and I think we should have two. So I'm gonna name this join us. So this is pretty much done. If I go to my Google Chrome, you guys can actually see it over here. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna go to my HTML file, the CSS file, sorry. Universal set means that it applies for the whole the web page. So padding equals to 0, font family, sans serif, and font weight bold. So now I'm gonna come to the navbar section. I'm gonna put background color. This is a new hex code that I thought of. I actually saw FB2525, and then height somewhere around 45 pixels. So once that's done, you guys can actually see it. So now we should design the text. So UL, I'm gonna put float right, and navbar ULLI display inline block, and dot navbar ULLIA, and this is where all the stuff takes place. This is actually for the actual text. So none. I'm gonna so let's just see how it looks for now. So you guys can actually see it. There's no text decoration, no list type and stuff. So if you guys miss something, you guys can just go back to the video and just find it. So our text decoration is none. So first of all, we need the margin top to be somewhere around 5%. Oh, that's too much. 2%, that's too much too. 1% is great. Margin left, we'll have it somewhere around 5%. Actually, it should be margin right. Like I would say it's actually good to make mistakes, because in web developing, that's what I actually learned when I was doing web developing. So margin, the actual ULLI section. So margin, we need 0 pixels on the top and bottom, and 5 pixels for the left and right. So you guys can see that. So now we need the boxes. So we need a width of somewhere around 60 pixels and height somewhere around 20. I'll have like 25 pixels, and we need the background color of it to be white. So yes, that's how it should probably look if you guys are great with up till now. And once that's done, we need padding. So padding applies to the inside of the text if you're in the text section. So padding will put 10 pixels on the inside on the top and bottom, 30 pixels on the left and right. So here, this is how it should be looking like. And also, if you guys want to make it look a little more great, I would definitely recommend you have a border radius of 5 pixels. It makes it look a little bit more cool, if that's what you want to call it. I'll just put a height of 50 pixels. Yes, now that's great. We'll change this to 1.5, 1.2. Yes, now that's great. So it's almost done. We need to color correct, if that's correct. I don't know. So I should make the color of the actual text black, and we should make hover effect. Let's just come up now this is pretty much good. So how you make a hover effect? So by now you guys should be like pretty much real fluent with this stuff. Even if you are not fluent, it's really okay. You guys can copy this source code. Like, by the way, if you guys want the source code, you guys can leave a comment down below or just leave a like. And source code, just comment down below. I'll just make sure to give it to you guys. ULLIA and a colon and type hover, and put the cursor to be pointer. Like, there are various cursors. You guys can have anything. So background color, I'll put black, and then the actual color for the text we'll have the FB2525. So you guys can actually see it coming like that, but you guys can also use hex code, which I used in my previous video, the speed code 2828 and another 28, which you guys can see it's like a light black. So I'm gonna add a transition, which is 0.6 seconds of ease. You guys obviously gonna see how it looks like. So it looks a little more nice. But by the way, you guys can also expand the website, like put a logo over here, or expand this. I'll just show it to you guys. Like you guys can expand this to 600 maybe, and it comes out that you guys can put an image over there, or like some text. So that's just the opinion I have. So that's about for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys really did enjoy, leave like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.